Stocks tanked today after more cases of the coronavirus were confirmed. Joining us live to talk about what this means for your investments is Matt Farkas, a portfolio manager at St. Germain's Investments. Matt, thanks so much for being here with us.
Thanks for having me.
Matt, so what happened on Wall Street today?
It was a difficult day today. The Dow was down over 450 points, which is certainly a lot of Dow points. But when you think of this in terms of percentage, it's a little less scary. The Dow was down about 1.6%. which pretty much makes the stock market flat for the year. And if you start from the beginning of 2019, the market's still up well over 30% from that time period.
And so how about investors? Do you think they're overreacting, and what advice do you have for them?
Well, the market has held up, I think, pretty well considering the news that's out there. And my advice would be not to overreact, to really stick to your financial plan, maintain a well-diversified portfolio. Have some exposure to safer assets. Some high-quality bonds in your portfolio is generally a good practice for most investors.
All right, and so we've seen the price of gold continue to rise. How high do you think prices will go, and do you think that's a safe investment?
Gold is viewed by some as a safe haven investment. It does tend to rise in price when there's heightened uncertainty out there and people get nervous. I prefer investors look to more traditional assets that may pay a dividend or pay interest. I would tell investors really to look toward the high quality bond market. That's going to hold up and perform that safety function for you like gold is supposed to do. And along the way, it's going to pay you some interest income.
Okay, Matt Farkas from St. Germain Investments. Matt, thanks so much for being here with us.
Thanks for having me.